Florals for spring, groundbreaking. Now, it might be a little early for this video, but I am in such desperate need of a spring closet cleanout situation, so I figured, why not document this embarrassing journey we're about to embark on? It's only embarrassing because my closet is in such shambles. You know when you go to a store like a H&M or something and the racks are so overpacked with clothes that things just like keep falling off the hangers, you can't like even get in there and see things? That's how my closet feels, and I have a constant pile of clothes on the floor because it's so much of a hassle to like put them back in my overstuffed drawers. It's become quite an inconvenience to enter the closet space, which is ironic because I make style videos, but you guys don't see the behind the scenes. You don't see the hell that I put myself through, that I created for myself. I will say, these New York City apartments have some nerve by offering up one small closet. Like, with the amount of fashion girlies in this city, you would think that we'd be given bigger closet space in these apartments, but all right, so without further ado, let's go take a look at the closet. But you can't judge me because I've already judged myself. Well, here we are, my greatest shame. Not really, it's like, whatever. So as you can see, the closet is quite full. This top part where everything is folded is like the most obnoxious area because if I need something from the bottom, the entire top pile is tumbling down with it. We have our drawers here, which are pretty full. And then the pile of clothes that normally sits right down here on the floor, I put up on the bed to have like just a little bit of decency. But it's so many clothes piled up here, and it's like, where do they go? Because this is stuffed, the drawers are stuffed, and that's why they always end up on the floor. All right, but let's start going through this stuff because it's a lot. I just went through the pile that was on the bed. Most of it is keep. It's stuff that I wear a lot, and that's why it was on the floor. But there was a couple things that surprisingly, I think I'm letting go of. One of them being one of my most worn items, but that's why I need to get a new one. I've had this black turtleneck forever, and I love a black turtleneck. I wear this thing all the time. But because of that, the color is so faded now, and there's like a hole that's fraying on the back of it. Okay, this is another example of like a basic that I do wear, but I need a better version of it. This one is kind of old, the collar is getting all yellowed and gross, and like it doesn't have a top button. Like it wasn't designed to have a top button. I like a top button. Trench coat button to the top, because I like to wear my sweater vests over this, or even just a sweater and have the collar pop out, but that's really hard to do when there's no button to like cinch the collar together. Okay, so these are half of the things that I'm getting rid of. We did good, guys. We did real good. Okay. So this is everything, and this is a lot. This is the biggest closet clean out I've ever done. All right, but let's go through some of the notable pieces here and talk about why we're getting rid of them. I also might post some of this stuff on my Depop, so I'll probably put that up on the screen and link it below if you guys are interested in following me on Depop. This is like a really cute vintage hat that I got 10 years ago and almost never wear. I think someone that is really into like vintage garments should have this. I have a couple other hats that are pretty cute. I just don't wear them. I'm not really a hat guy. So here we have a cute little black dress that I got from Fashion Nova 1,000 years ago. And a part of me wants to hold on to this, but a part of me knows that it's just too short for me now. I just don't enjoy wearing things that expose my ass when I sit down. This is a Zara coat that I got 10 years ago. It's just a little snug now. It's an XS. I am no longer an XS. So there you go. Another little black dress that I really love, but the front gapes. So I just never wear it. But it's really cute. Maybe should keep it. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile and we'll see how much ends up in the maybe pile. If it's just like a couple things, we'll keep it. If there's like a ton of stuff in the maybe pile, we gotta get rid of it. Already bargaining with myself. Cute little orange number. Fits wonderfully. But I'm not really an orange guy anymore. There's something about it that isn't really my style these days. I haven't worn it in a couple summers. Gotta go. I think this was also a part of my things that I was going to get rid of in my last closet clean out video, and then I kept it, and now I'm like, yeah, we gave it a second go. It's done. Again with the orange, I'm just not super vibing with it these days. But this is a really cute top. I did wear the heck out of this. I just think I could find stuff like this that I would enjoy more. This is another extra small jacket that no longer fits, and I really wish it did because I think it's super cute and I really want to wear it, but alas, too swole for these sleeves. A cute dress that I don't think is that cute anymore. I want it to be more flowy, and it's not. And I saw it in like a vlog that I made a long time ago, and I was like, that is so stiff, the material. Okay, so this top I'm a little torn because I have worn it and did enjoy it, but like outside of that one experience, I have never turned to this. I wore it to a friend's birthday party. It was red and black themed, and it was also on Halloween, so I decided to go with like a little bit of a piratey look. So I put my black corset top over this, and it was really cute. But the top alone, I just don't feel is my style. It's also the red is leaning a little bit orange for me. I like a deep cherry red. It's kind of like this. This is the red that I actually like. And speaking of, this top, I'm gonna keep it a little longer. This goes in the maybe pile. This is my granny skirt. I do like this, but it's so itchy scratchy on the inside. And I have other like floral skirts, so. The issue with these pants is that they can't decide whether they're pajamas or outdoor pants. They're like a high-waisted, so like you would think you'd wanna tuck a shirt in or something, but like I don't like how it exposes the elastic band. This top, I want to love it. I've worn it and enjoyed it, but I don't like how it's see-through. I don't really like a see-through top because then I wear like a tank top underneath and then you see the straps of the tank top. Not really a look that I like. I never wear this one. I have a red one and a dark green one, but the pink I just don't wear. All right, this t-shirt is very well loved. I don't want to get rid of it, but the pits are pitting. It's been worn a lot during very sweaty months. I love this print so much. Do I turn this part into something else? A little tote bag or a book sleeve? I feel like there's something I could do with this because I feel like the rest of the shirt is a little too crusty to like sell or donate even. This is a lacy black top that I like. I have another lacy black top that I like better and wear more often, so. But yeah, having a bunch of clothes just collecting dust in your wardrobe does nobody good. And if you're someone that likes to go to thrift stores fairly frequently, it's important to keep like taking things out as you add new things in. Not to like promote rapid consumerism, obviously be conscious. My new rule when I go shopping for clothes is like, if I'm not 100% ecstatic about the item, I don't get it. It has to be a resounding hell yeah, I love this, I want to wear this out of the store. But a lot of the stuff that I'm getting rid of, I didn't have that same mindset when I bought these things. All right guys, well thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you just can't get enough of me, then you can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, I have music on SoundCloud. I hope to see you guys all over the internet, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!